Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unpackaging video. A little while ago, I changed out my ring. I wear these silicone rings, and the one I was wearing kind of like got loose and it was getting chewed up. So I remember a while back I bought a bunch of these on Amazon. They're just cheap rings, and I was thinking about these rings, and when I think of these rings, I think of these groove rings because you see all these commercials for them. So I just thought, hey, maybe I'll reach out to them and see if they. Well, actually, I checked out their website and I saw they have watch straps and, of course, the ring. So I sent them an email asking if they'd send some stuff over, and they sent some stuff over. So, little long-winded explanation there, I guess. But there that is. So this is I'll mark this as a paid promotion because I didn't pay for these products, and they're sending them over for us to check out. So let's get into it. I might need to sharpen this. I found this somewhere, and apparently it's not all that sharp, so may have to sharpen that. Just an old Victorinox little knife there. So with all that said, let's get this open. So these watch bands are for the Samsung smartwatch, but it looks like it just has normal lugs, so it should work on a watch like this. Actually, I might try that on here. All right, so this is just some information. I'm not sure what's printed on here, so just look at it off to the side, but a little bit of information here. Looks like they have a lifetime warranty, a no BS warranty. A little bit of information here if you want to pause it and read that. I think this is the guy on all the commercials. But anyway, set that over there. Actually, I just saw one of the commercials today for the Groove belt, which is kind of funny. So let's get this stuff out of here. Let's start with the watch straps since it's a watch channel, obviously. So nice packaging here. Okay, so here's one of the straps. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yep, it has a groove pattern here on the back. And these are silicone, which makes sense since they have silicone rings. And then I think the other one's white. Now I have to look up the prices. I think these are $40. Don't quote me on that. I'll put a link in the description to each of these products. Okay, I think I was going to order a white one, but they might have been out of stock. Here, actually, I just folded it over so you can see here. Well, you can see my small finger size, which makes sense because I have a small wrist size. Yeah, so black and silver, and then, okay, I thought I did order a white one. Oh well, whatever. So I got two 20mm straps. I thought I had ordered a white one. I wanted to try a white one on that Island Watch ISL 85. See how the white would go with that Robin's Egg blue dial, but we have two black ones, so that's fine. Got a 22 and a 20. We'll try those on. Actually, I'll try it on this one here real quick after we look at the rings. And these rings, I believe, are about $30 a piece. Sorry, let me zoom in here. These ones I bought on Amazon. I don't know. I think it was like $10 for 5 of them or something. It was pretty cheap. Well, that was interesting. Might be losing power here. There's a storm going on outside. All right, let's try this one on. There we go. Fits pretty good, I think. I'll wear these for a while and then we'll do a follow-up video. Let me know what I think of these rings. All right, let's try this one on here. So black with orange. I like the color orange. They have, I think, 40 different variations of these. Yeah, this one's a little more rounded. The other one's a little more square. So hopefully you can see those profiles there. There we go. All right, let's get this last one open. I don't have to worry about the lids popping off of these tins, that's for sure. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know, I just kind of, this one's a little bit out there. Looks kind of pearlescent, I guess. This might be a little bit too flashy for me, but I wanted to see what it looked like. So let's try that one on. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be wearing this one or not. Probably try the gray one for a while. So anyway, I was about to close out the video, but I'm going to try it on, I'm going to try one of these straps on this watch real quick. I've been enjoying my time with this. I do need to do the video for this watch. But let me pause the video and I'll come right back with the appropriate strap on here. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Like the video and leave a comment below. And hit that notification bell while you're at it. Alright, so I got the NATO strap off and the spring bars off of this titanium cased watch. Hardware doesn't exactly match the titanium case, but that's okay. So let's just put this on here real quick and see how it goes. So like I said, these are meant for the Samsung smartwatch. There we go. Sorry, it might have been off camera, just trying to find the hole here. Then we'll get this one on. I think they have short and long strap offerings. I went for the long ones, I believe. Let's see, what does this say? No, I guess I went for short. Come on, get in there. Okay, I was in there. Alright, this feels a little wobbly on here. So let's get this on wrist and hopefully it works. Okay, looks like I have just enough. So that worked out. 6.5 inch wrist. You can order the short strap. I'm going to put on a little bit tight, but there we go. Yeah, I really like this watch, but on the NATO strap it has added thickness and really pops off wrist. And with this strap makes quite a difference. Okay, that will conclude this video. Sorry I went a little long with the unboxing here. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.